built an outdoor heating system for my RV. It's a boiler type. I used a propane bottle. It's a 30-pound, and it sits just above the fire box. And I welded on some fittings. There's one out the top. This is my return line. And I installed a tank off of a car with a rad cap. It's off of a Sunbird, I believe. So I can fill the system and add coolant. And also that will give me a 15-pound pressure release. I've installed a drain so I can drain it. It has a few blow-off valves just in case. This is the output line, so the coolant is drawn through this line and then up into the heater core, which is in the RV. And I used a water pump from a washing machine, and that helps circulate the water around. And then this is the return coolant line, and it goes back into the boiler tank. I've added a few porcelain tiles to the top just to retain some heat. I'm going to wrap the whole thing in insulation and then cover it with something, aluminum or tin, or whatever I can get my hands on. I also added an extra overflow tank so that no coolant goes onto the ground, or it can just go into this tank and then it's drawn back up into this primary tank. I have a fire going in my outdoor heating system. Everything seems to be working okay. There's a lot of smoke when you open this door. It goes away once you close the door. Now that is my output line. So the water is being drawn through that line, and then goes up through into the heater core, and then drawn through the pump and back into the boiler tank, which is located inside the drum. I'm inside my RV. I have a heater core from an old car hooked up to the heating system, and I've used a microwave fan to push the air through it. This is just temporary until I get some better fans or a heating box. Right now there's quite a bit of heat coming out of it. It's hot. And you can see the temperature here. It's almost 80 degrees inside and 40 outside. So we got a 40-degree difference. What I'm going to do is connect some computer fans or some 120-volt fans on the back of this, or make a box and make it a little quieter and compact. I'll probably place it in here somewhere. Well, all the heat is being transferred from the outdoor heating system, and it's being routed into here. I know I have a lot of loss from pipes that haven't been insulated, and I need to insulate the boiler itself, so I still have a lot of work, but I will make another video and try to get this thing more efficient. Well, thank you for watching.